Choosing a laptop for gaming often comes down to understanding what the machine is built to do. That's especially true for a game like Fortnite. It's not the most demanding title out there, but it still benefits from solid graphics performance and hardware that can maintain smooth frame rates during longer sessions. Two laptops that often come up in this conversation are the Dell XPS 14 and the Dell 14 Premium. Both sit within Dell's premium lineup and share a lot in common, including strong build quality, sleek designs, and high-end displays. At first glance, they feel very similar, but their approach to performance is a bit different. The Dell XPS 14 is designed primarily as a premium ultraportable. It focuses on portability, craftsmanship, and a balanced computing experience. With Intel Core Ultra processors and improved integrated graphics, it handles everyday tasks smoothly, from multitasking and media consumption to creative work. Fortnite is still playable on the XPS 14, but it often requires lower settings to maintain stable frame rates. It works best for casual gaming sessions rather than long stretches of gameplay. The Dell 14 Premium takes a slightly different approach. While it looks and feels similar, it leans more toward performance. Configurations with NVIDIA RTX graphics give it an advantage in GPU-heavy tasks. That difference becomes noticeable in games like Fortnite. The Dell 14 Premium is better equipped to maintain smoother gameplay and more consistent frame rates, especially during longer gaming sessions. Both laptops also feature bright, sharp displays with strong color accuracy and thin bezels. They are excellent for everyday use, content creation, and streaming, even if they're not built specifically for high refresh esports gaming. In the end, the choice depends on what matters most to you. The Dell XPS 14 is a strong option for portability and everyday performance with occasional gaming. The Dell 14 Premium is the better fit if you want more consistent gaming performance while still keeping a thin, premium laptop.